Hi, I'm Allison Pryor, and today I am going to show you how to paint a beautiful painting from dollar store items. Dollar store paintbrushes and paints, and I have it all here to show you what I'm using today. So I have many things, so I'll open them up for you. They even come in a nice little case, you know. It opens up like this. So we'll open them up. This is fun. Getting new art supplies, doesn't matter where you get them from, we're a lot of fun. Love trying out different art supplies, expensive or cheap, doesn't matter. I can still get a good painting. We're going to see what kind of reaction or what kind of results we're going to get from these paintbrushes and paints today. Oh, these are really nice. Look, you even get a fan brush. Look, beautiful. Oh, look, I got two fan brushes. I didn't know. Excellent. Nice flat brushes like these. These are great for doing foliage. You can tap, tap, tap. You can put a synthetic brush in there, chiseled edge. And a smaller one, small flat brush. These certainly come in handy. This looks like a watercolor brush. And we have liner. Oh, look, liner brushes. I didn't even see these here. Look at that. Nice. Nice, actually. You don't need a lot of brushes. Just buy the one package. You got all the brushes you need. You even got an angular brush here for flowers. Yes, fantastic. So we'll be trying out some of these brushes on our painting today. I'll try to do a painting where I can use some of the different ones that I have here. All right, another. So we also have, it's amazing. I didn't know that they got all these for $4. Look, more liner brushes, that's more. A little more watercolor brush. Pretty good for $4. You pay more than that for one brush in some places. And I have more brushes. I also wanted some synthetic brushes. I didn't realize that I probably had enough in that package. But because these are only $1.25, right? And this one is Artist Series. And these are nice too. Now, these are also very nice. So all we have to do is get them out of the package. Oh, nice, look. So you got the nice flat brush and the liner brush, nice long liner brush, I like that. And some flat brushes. And these are synthetic and they are chisel edge. So I had enough in the other package. I didn't realize it. Now this is the package the first ones came in, okay? They even have, they tell you about the brushes, all about the brushes on the back. And these are paintbrush set. That's all I see there. So you can put them all back in here, nice and neatly. Isn't that nice? I mean, you pay $4 alone just for the case. Nice. And now I have more brushes because I didn't realize how many I was going, you know, Artist Series again. I didn't know if I would get, I kind of ran in quickly and bought a bunch of things. I got excited and just kept picking up everything. It was lots more there I would love to have, but I just wanted to try this so I could do a video for you. So $1.25, you get so much fun tearing them apart also. Okay, so you get all these really nice, and they're colorful too, so it makes it fun. All these really nice liner brushes, look at those. Really nice. You got a good variety of liner brushes now for your twigs and your trees and the branches. Okay, really nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for $1.25. Can you believe that? Back into my case. Makes everything really neat. And I'll put all that away. Now what I have here is I bought some painter's tape. I think that was $2. $2. It's all at the dollar store. Everything I have here is at the dollar store. Okay, we use that for getting a horizon line if we do a horizon. And I also bought this at the dollar store, which is the misting bottle. Nice, hey? $1.50. And I have some canvases here. And I also have these canvases, nice stretch canvas. And that one was $2. And $2.50. And it's really nice, I must say. I painted on these before for practice, but I found them really good, so I just used them also for my videos. And this is an artist series also, so I guess artist series is what the dollar store carries the most. It seems that way. And that's a 12 by 12, so that's a nice size for $2. And we also have, I think this one is probably 11 by 14, that's $2.50. Nice. Really nice. And we also have 8.5 by 11. I have several of those because they're only like $1.25 each, so they're great for doing smaller paintings. So I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I picked up 6. I mean, for $6, like $1.25, so $6, $7, $7.50 or whatever. That's a lot of canvases. You get a lot of paintings out of those. So that's nice. And I just got some paper towels I bought at the dollar store. And I bought, like I said, I bought everything in my art supplies that I would need to do this video for you. And it's paid for by my Patreons and my patrons on my Patreon page. So for $1 a month, you can get all free videos. And you know, if you want to have a look around in my Patreon page, I'll leave the link below for you to have a look around. And I bought some pencils. I just wanted to buy some drawing pencils because I'm going to do a drawing also. And these are nice. They're only $2, okay? And they're nice. They're HBs, so you can. They're nice to use. And I bought some colored pencils for $3 for these. Elmer's. Yeah, I got 24, so you know that's good. Nice. And I bought this really nice pad right here for $2. Great for drawing on. Nice stiff paper. Really nice. And this has 30 sheets. So I also bought my paints. Okay. So my paints are. These are really nice. These are crafters paints. You will get a nice painting out of these crafters paints, and I think they used to be $1.50, but I'm not sure how much they charged me there. I can't remember. I think it might be $2 or $1.50. I'm not sure. Not positive. But and I bought the different colors. All I needed was black and white, and green, and blue, and they never had any yellow, so I did something else. I'll show you what I did. And a brown, okay, and red. Okay. So I also have these really nice North Shore acrylic paints, and these are really good because I got my yellows that I didn't have before. I couldn't get at the dollar store, and so they have yellows in here. So these are really nice. You get 12 of those for only, I think they were only like $4, because nothing, I think there was nothing over $4. But these are really nice. I have different colors, and it's everything you need in this one little package. I have titanium white, and I have a bright yellow, and a medium yellow, and a red, and I have crimson red, and I have blue, and I have ultramarine blue, and sap green, and I have phthalo green, and yellow ochre, and I also have burnt sienna, which is very, very nice paint, and I also have Mars black. So you have everything in this little package that you need to do several paintings, and only for a couple of dollars at the dollar store. And the dollar store is not sponsoring me. This is so, I just wanted to go down, pick up as many items as I could from the dollar store so I can do a nice little painting for you and just show you. If you're a beginner, you can't afford to go out and buy a ton of paints and brushes for hundreds of dollars. So this is a great way to get started, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do a fantastic painting with all these cheap little items from the dollar store. So this is a reference photo I got from Pixabay. I got it on my iPad here so I can follow along with it, and or so I can use it as a reference photo. So it's a free reference, copyright free reference photo from Pixabay. Okay, so I think you can see it there, and we will do this on our dollar store 12 by 12 canvas. Now you can use smaller or bigger, it's up to you, okay? But I'm, going to use this size because I think it's going to come out a really nice painting, and I want you to be able to see all the details.